Good morning, students. Myself Anirban Guho from Salt Lake Institute of Engineering and Management. Today, I also discuss some different topics which is related about solar because some special questions today I also discuss about practical related field which is more helpful from you. First of all, why we choose solar? This is our basic thinking, and why you learn about solar. First, we are everybody conscious about our economic system. So, my first point, reduce energy bill if we choose solar. Do you know what solar energy today is cheaper than the grid electricity? Or that the cost of energy from an inverter or diesel generator is about 2 to 3 times more than the grid energy that is used to charge the battery. Depending upon our consumer category and location, you could reduce your monthly electricity bill by up to 40%, sometimes even more. Also discuss another point, another benefit, safe investment high returns policy will be available in our solar system. Solar is not just a safe investment, it also gives much higher returns than some of the traditional investment we make, that is FD, mutual fund, stock markets, etc. Since the return or a solar investment are in the form of saving, basically this is non-taxable income. It is like having you cake and eating it too. All this right at your doorstep and rooftop. So, whether you are a savvy financial expert or a conservative investor, the time to go solar is now growing on. So, ready for installation solar. And the third benefit, lifetime negligible maintenance. Install it and forget it. Well, almost. Just make sure the solar module are kept clean at our home. It's as simple as watering the plant at offices, industries. It is a quick job for the housekeeping staff. And alternatively, nowadays you can, if you can not to be capable to maintenance, so you can hire any maintenance solar companies. And this is mostly important for our these types of energy is the environmental friendly, means eco-friendly. We all strive for a clean environment for ourselves, our families and our future generation. This is our main conscience. It is said to remind ourselves that we live in toxic time by indiscriminate, basically unutilization of fossil fuel. We are partaking in activities that cause land, water and air pollution. Solar energy doesn't strain our existing ecosystem on the countries. It undoes some of the sins we have committed. If India strike to its 100 gigawatt solar ambition till 2022. Industry experts estimate the displacement of 270 million tons of carbon emission by 2025. That investment, the polluting 14 cricket stadium with trees, including the stands. Now we also convert our thinking from green revolution, but that's why from today we convert our thinking from non-renewable source or grid source to natural source, like as different types of green energy revolution source. That's why solar energy source, because only green energy source is the free one kinds of cheapest, and this is the reliable carbon free mechanism. If we are conscious, so to protect and prevent our pollution in our society and in our world. So thank you. I think this is the very much essential for your learning. Thank you.